How to change nickname on Telegram. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now, first of all, open up your Telegram application on your device and make sure that you're logged in. After that, tap on the three line at the top left corner, and then you can see the option of settings. Tap on settings, then scroll down and you can see over here. Now you can change your username or your display name, whichever you want. Now if you want to change the username, you can just tap on the username and you can change it over here. Now if you want to change the display name, then what you have to do is just tap on the display name or tap on edit info and go to your name and you can just change it. And then after that, you can just tap on this tick icon and it will be saved. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.